Hi everyone, we're on Module 3 of Level F. This is Lesson 3, so turn to page 15 to follow along and take notes. All right, so we are going to be subtracting decimals using decimal grid paper today. So this is an addition one, and let's just quick review. Remember, when we have one of these squares, this is 100 squares. So one of these little ones is 1 out of 100. Or 1/100th that looks like this as a decimal. Okay, so we're going to count the yellow ones, but we also know that if that's one square, then we know that one whole column is 1 out of 10 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. So if we count how many of those are, that would be 1/10. So we can say the yellow, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths shaded in. So we would write 4 tenths plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths of the square. And we know that we can see that between the orange and the yellow, the whole thing is shaded in. So if we line those up, then we get 4 plus 6 is 10, carry that 1, bring down that, it equals 1. All right, the next one is another addition problem, so we're going to count green. How many are there, how many tenths? Let's go by hundreds, because over here with the blues we need hundreds. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 hundredths, so that would be 0.50. And then for blue, we have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 hundredths. So 0.23 hundredths. Well, the total of that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. 0 and 73 hundredths are shaded in. All right, so now we're going to do subtraction. So this says 75 hundredths take away or minus 50 hundredths. All right, I'm going to shade in 75. So 10, 20, and you should do this on your paper too. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70 are shaded in, and then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. All right, so now we have 75 shaded in. And then we're going to take away 50. So we're going to take away 50 hundredths. Well, I'm going to just cross those off. Well, actually, let's fill this in first. So it says 75 squares are shaded. Now we're going to take away 50. So we got to cross out the 50 of them. So we're going to just cross out 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So those all get crossed out. All right. So 50 are crossed out. And then how many are left? Well, I'm going to kind of outline those. How many are left? We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 are left. So we would say 75 hundredths minus 50 hundredths is 25 hundredths. All right, this says we're going to do the same thing with some different problems here. So here we have 90 squares that are going to be shaded, and we're going to cross out 27 and see how many are left. I'm going to try and do this a little bit better. So I'm going to shade in 90. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. All right, and I know you don't have these squares on your paper, but you can get a paper from your teacher. It's not on the VMath packet, but... Okay, so there we have 90 shaded in. Now we got to cross out 27. So I'm going to cross out 27. So I'm going to cross out 10, let's use a different color. Sorry. I'll just do a different color highlighter and cross that off. Oh my goodness. Different color. There we go. Okay. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So those are all crossed out. So cross out all those. So now we have to figure out how many gray ones are still left. Well, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So there are 63 shaded left. So that would be 63 hundredths, because remember, this is 63 out of 100. All right, the next one, we have one whole minus 62. So I'm going to shade in one whole. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to do different colors here. Okay, one whole thing. So we have one whole 100 square shaded in. All right, so now we can see that this whole thing is shaded in. So we have 100 squares that are shaded in. We're going to cross off 62 and see how many are left. So I'm going to cross off 62 in another color. So I'm going to cross them off in gray. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62 are shaded out. Okay, are crossed out. So those are all crossed out. So then the ones that we have left, we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So that means that 38 hundredths are still shaded in. All right, this last one, number 6. Francine has 75 cents. So she starts with 75 cents. She buys a school spirit pencil at the store for 48 cents. How much should she have left? So we're subtracting. 75 cents is her total. Then she's going to buy something, so she's got to give 48 cents. So let's use the squares to shade in. So I'm going to shade in again 75. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. All right, we got all these shaded in. Okay, and then we need to cross off 48. So I'm going to cross off in red. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Now we need to count. So those are all crossed off. So now how many do we have left? We have 10, 20. We got these down here. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So she has 27 cents left over. All right, in this box it says, why are the squares cut out or crossed out for subtraction? Well, remember, when we're subtracting, we're taking something away. So we can say we are taking something away. So that's why they are crossed out. Okay, so when you cross it out, you're taking it away. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to complete page 16 on your own. Make sure to get those papers if you need grid papers to help you cross out and then you can show your work using those. Good luck.